You said some lady views? What? Crazy. All right, so out here with the homies at the Drift event in Bowling Green right now. And it's actually pretty deep out here. There's a lot of cars. There's a lot more cars actually on the track that I've never seen some of these cars. But we're gonna go ahead. We're about to get some food because I'm starving. I know he's starving. He might be starving. So we're gonna get some food real quick, and then I'm gonna get some footage of the cars, and then we'll get some pit action as well because you know I like to walk around and see some setups because I already ain't been here like 30 minutes and I already want a drift car. So like I already like you know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna get one. So we're gonna get some food and I'll haul back at y'all. Look at this. Can't get enough of these, man. Oh, I don't want to see six so bad. Hey, I'm gonna get one, dog.
Huh?
I'm gonna get one, dog. Go ahead and come look at this. The setup on this car is ridiculous. Got some nice cross position wheels. Golly. This thing's bad. I never can't forget this big one right here. I always have the Holly Dash too. This thing's bad. All those Holly products, dude. Dude, the color combo on this car is nice. God, dude. And I love S14 Sakuki. Literally my favorite 240 besides S13.
Cosby's are good.
This is so nice, dude. Probably this car right here is simple, and then it's one of those things that it's simple, clean, and it works. Like, God, dude. Woo! All right, so.
What do people like say for changing tires?
Honestly, I have no idea. Probably the back. Probably. Oh, no, not over there, but back over there.
Hey,
But-
Pinto took my spot.
Did it really?
Yes.
Oh my God, park behind it. Or park behind me.
I can park beside you still.
Alright.
On the other side.
Alright, so we're back. Got food. And with Subway, not have food here. So we're getting back into the event. It's actually really deep, but let me flip this camera for you. Oh, you got a puppy. Started to get deep out here. Ooh, some Z's. You know, I love my Z's. It's actually really nice. But, dude, that Mustang over there, that one right there, we're gonna go look at it. Oh, look at that super far zoom, baby. That iPhone life, baby. 3 cameras. Yes, sir. Oh my God, this is a Gremlin. I've never seen one of these in person. That's wild. Wow, and he decided to park by me. That's crazy. He's got that Chris tint on there. It's like a mirror, boy. This thing's so nice. Of course, we're gonna look at a Mustang, and we're at a drift event. But just had to. Just had to. All right, so y'all saw we were looking at that white Mustang. Okay, so that white Mustang has got a set of twins on it. Push it down. Midmount twins. He's running the LPF kit, which if you know LPF, they're out in Texas. And dude, 800 horsepower to the wheels. That's fucking insane. So, like, he's got the fastest car here right now. Like, that must be nice because like, that's a goal. But you know what I got to get first? You know, I got to get me something LS and finish, of course, my car. But let me get some of these runs in and get back to y'all.
It's gotta be the 26, right? That's the big
25. Nice, nigga. I love me Tiki. And it's just simple. It's just simple.
Got the suede, man.
Did you see the blue ride? Oh, that's a good spark though.
Spark that seats.
With the Sparko harnesses too. It's pretty sweet. He's right
Nice.
there.
Had to come back and visit. It's because we're here.
Season's
The
coming.
homies. Oh yeah, it's actually next week. Who's gonna having their first event? It's Test and Tune, but it's home.
A little bit ahead of this
Had to.
piping.
It's not even prepped yet. They haven't prepped it, but they're having an event next week, and they're gonna do like a Test and Tune. Of course, the car will probably. Hold on, let me flip this. All right, so the car will probably be most likely tore down, and I won't be here. I'll probably be here because I want to see all the homies run and like just get some footage for y'all. But the car will be torn apart at that moment in time, so missing that, but it's okay because I think the week after that is TXTK, and of course your boy going over there, and then you got a lay down week. Yeah. What's that fox, dude? But yeah, this is not prepped. This is not prepped.
Look how thick of a layer of rubber there is.
I know.
I love that.
That's crazy. That dude is shredding.
Look at this shit.
All right, but yeah, like I said, all those run together. The car will be torn down for this event, but it's fine, and it will be running for Import Alliance in Atlanta, and that's we're going to be see some drifting. Of course, we're going to be see some street, some street shenanigans. I'm gonna do out there. So y'all stay tuned for that. That's going to be ridiculous. But we'll go ahead and actually get some footage this time because we've just been walking around. But I'll get some footage for y'all now, and I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. Best seat in the house.
$11.99 plus tax.
Oh, mine was 12.
That one with the white fenders is the one.
Oh shit!
He's like struggling to get loose. Is this not the best seat right here, bro? That's who we were looking
still going. All right, y'all. So left the event, headed back into town because Lil Cuz is pulling up to the crib. I ain't seen him in a minute, and so we're gonna go do some family stuff and get back home because just ordered some parts last night, and I wish they were going out today, but they're probably gonna go out till Monday. And I got parts that came in this week for the car, and I want to show all you that, or all y'all that. My fault. I want to show all y'all that when I get ready to put everything on. I'm gonna do a video of all the parts I got and where I got them from and such things like that, and then explain everything and the deadline. So I'm beyond ready for this. So I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and so I enjoyed the nice little event because, like I said, it was a low-key type event. It was really, really good. It was really good. So I hope the guys that threw that throw another one because, like I said, I enjoyed it. And so until next time, y'all, take it easy. And I'll holler.